So let's start in a seat. Place your hands somewhere on your thighs. You can roll your shoulders up, back, and down. And maybe make some small movements with your head and neck. One ear towards one shoulder, and then the other ear towards the other shoulder. Take a moment to notice your body. And then we'll come into the center with our head and take one hand on our chest and one hand on our abdomen. Start to notice which hand is moving the most with your breath. Bring a little more movement with your breath into the bottom hand. So when you breathe in, maybe you feel an expansion of your abdomen away from your spine. And breathe out and release your low hand towards your spine, emptying out through your abdomen. So let's breathe like that a couple more times. You can always come back to this breath practice through these movements.